In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a GitHub email address. Whether you're new to GitHub or just looking to update your account settings, adding an email address is a straightforward process that ensures you receive important notifications and updates related to your projects. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your GitHub account settings. To do this, head over to any GitHub page and look towards the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture nestled up there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub account. Now that you're in the settings, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a section labeled Accesses. Under this section, look for Emails. Clicking on Emails will navigate you to the page where you can manage your email addresses associated with your GitHub account. Once you're on the Emails page, you'll notice a field labeled Add Email Address. This is where you can input the new email address you want to associate with your account. Carefully type in your new email address. Double-check it for any typos, as having the correct email is crucial for receiving all the necessary communications from GitHub. After entering your email address, click on the Add button. By clicking Add, you've successfully initiated the process of adding a new email to your GitHub account. GitHub might send a verification email to this new address, so be sure to check your inbox and follow any further instructions to verify your email address if prompted. This step is important for confirming that you have access to the email address and that it was entered correctly. And there you have it. You've now added a new email address to your GitHub account. This will help ensure that you stay updated with all the latest notifications and project updates directly through your preferred email. If you ever need to manage or change your email addresses again, simply follow these same steps. Remember, keeping your email addresses up to date on platforms like GitHub is a good practice for maintaining effective communication and ensuring you don't miss out on any important information. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Happy coding, and see you next time.